In the last episode, we sailed off to explore a new area of San Blas that we hadn't been to before. Here in Nargana, where the more modern Kuna live, we meet a lot of friendly folks and take the dinghy up the Rio Diablo into the jungle. Hey, I'm Liz. And this is Ruri. Here is our beautiful home, a 1982 Cal 39. Join us each week as we sail to new places and show you what it's like to be able to pick up your anchor and sail your home to wherever you want. Welcome to Sailing It's the Truth.
Looking for a tienda.
Well, it's our first time on land in, I don't know, a while. And just taking a stroll around this town. First time I've been to a town here in San Blas. I think last time we didn't even realize this was here. But it has like a bank on it, it has some grocery stores. So I'm gonna do some shopping and see what we can find. So what does it remind you of?
Ghana, no vehicles, everybody walks everywhere, it's small, it's beautiful. Everybody's friendly.
Very friendly. Yeah, everybody's super friendly. It was really like, everybody's trying to find us an open grocery store, but I guess on Saturdays, everything's closed.
Pretty much.
We're gonna walk across the bridge and see if we can find something open on the other side, on the other island. Otherwise, we'll just be paying. We'll get some more cash. The bank, luckily there's a bank here, but we might need to get some more cash for the lancha guys.
Yeah, we can come back Monday.
Or we can come back Monday. Exactly. Let's see.
USA.
So apparently we're in Anchorage where all the private planes come in and fly into Corazon de, what is it called? Corazon de Jesus? Anyway, where all the private planes come and fly into here and get on their charter boats. We just saw 2 boatloads of people get on these 2 giant cats. And that's a lot of people. And there's a lot of liquor on those boats. That's one with like the 6 boxes of liquor. Yeah, I don't know, I didn't count the other one. A lot of things happening here. So after we left earlier, the supply boat came in. So we're gonna try the grocery stores again and see if they have anything. We'll see.
There's actually kids playing in the playground, because guess what? Nobody here at 6 years old owns a cell phone, or even at 15.
Yeah.
So they're actually kids being kids. Yeah. Not everybody on some crazy device which we all need today to survive. I love this place. And we actually hooked up and found the place to get the good stuff.
Well, we're joking a little bit, but we went to a store and we got very fresh chicken. We got some veggies and fruit and
eggs.
Oh, you got some eggs? Good.
Got eggs too.
And I asked if they had any wine, because I mean I still have some wine in the boat, but more wine never hurts. And apparently it's black market stuff here. Did not know that. Did not know it was illegal here. I guess they don't drink, so
yeah.
But anyway,
not part of the culture.
Not part
no
of
alcohol.
But anyway, I was able to. The lady who helped me was very hush hush, but I got a nice bottle of Sauvignon Blanc for $7. Not bad.
Yeah.
Anyway, but now I feel terrible because I had no idea. But they were so nice about it. She's like, please don't tell anybody where you got this from. So that's why I waited till I walked away from the store where we got our stuff to explain.
Yeah.
But don't want to get anybody in trouble, so.
Yeah, and today was the day that the barge came in.
Yeah, it is.
And the barge brings everything to the island, and there it is.
Barge from Colombia, apparently.
Barge that came up from Colombia.
Alright, well, after our big shopping trip in town, we are going to go explore Rio Diablo. So, not quite sure what's up there, how far up we can get, but we have seen lots of cayucas come out. I know there is a water pipe for them, and lots of cayucas and pangas are coming out of the river filled with bottles of water. So I think it's where their fresh water supply comes in for their town.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're going to go explore and check it out, right?
Exactly. Let's go. Let's do it. Yeah.
Alright, nerd, whatever. Yeah, I'm not quite sure how I feel about going down Rio Diablo. Also, people have seen gators down here, so crossing my fingers I don't see one.
They make for good video.
As Riri says, they make for good video, right? Well, we'll see. We're going to take a little tour, see what other kind of wildlife we can see down here.
Looks like a place that Tarzan would have hung out. Like, look at this. Look at this place.
That tree is awesome. Look at that tree.
Look at the bird in the tree. All the mangroves that used to be through here, and someone's cut the legs off of them so we can actually go through here.
That's crazy.
So
That
much
tree over there is huge.
So much wildlife.
Back there.
Uh-huh.
There's another one jumping here.
There's one really close. He's like in the first
Look,
tree.
look. There's like a whole bunch of them. I know. Oh my god, they like jumped.
Oh, on top of the tree there, look.
Oh yeah, there he is. Look at it.
I want to go reverse for a second. There's some of them right up in here.
Yeah.
They get really close, and they want to see who we are too.
There's a log ahead.
Look, they're like, who you guys?
Oh my god, they're so cute. They're like jumping from branch to branch, like really long distances. And I've never seen them before. They have like white bellies and big claws and kind of smaller heads, but really long tails. So when I get back, I have to look it up. But they jump forever. That was so cool. I didn't expect to see them. Well, we came to an impasse. There's a very large tree that's in the water, and I guess maybe the pangas can get over the top of it because they have hard bottoms, but I have a soft bottom dinghy, unfortunately, so I don't think I want to try going over that tree. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, I wouldn't risk it. I mean, we've come quite far, like 5 kilometers up this river.
I feel like further. We've come a long way.
Yeah, we need to be able to get back home.
Yes, exactly.
And not be stranded up here.
Yeah, we have absolutely no idea where we are. And I thought it stopped at some point to a dam or to the water pipe, but it must keep going. I don't know. I mean, who knows how long up the river it is. But it was fun coming up here, checking it out and seeing the monkeys.
Yeah, and the water's cold too.
Is it?
So
really?
the river is not too far from here, for sure.
Well, this is a river.
No, but I mean where it's
The water?
off the water.
Yeah. Alright, so we changed the mind and decided to lift the dinghy up over the branch. And now we are continuing on forward, seeing how far we can go. But the water is lovely. It's actually nice and cool and refreshing. I think you're fine.
Maybe it's turned on in certain hours.
Yeah, it's, behind me is the pipe that we knew we could kind of be able to take the dinghy up to. Doesn't seem to be any water coming out of it right now, but there's a few people down the river in their cayucas who collected water, so I don't know if they're just collecting straight from the river or what, but it's really clear water and it's really clean and refreshing. So,
Don't you have a taste?
and here comes another lancha with the power, so we'll see what he does. Alright, we decided to turn around again just because we didn't know how far we were going and it's getting later in the day, so turn around and back.
So much for the pipe. People just get water right out of the river.
Yeah.
There's no pipe. People come up the river as far as they want. They fill up their water and head back. At least it's fresh water. It's not contaminated. It's not salt water. You just have to wonder who's upriver taking a bath.
No. Sure. I don't know, but it's pretty amazing. We just saw like another family. We just passed another quite large panga family and collecting water and again taking it back. Fresh water back. Pretty cool. I mean, obviously the water is drinkable. I mean, I come from a place where Giardia is pretty easy to get, so I get a little nervous about drinking river water, but I'm sure it's obviously clean enough, and people, this is what they do. They come up and grab their water from up here and take it back to the town. We've come up quite a far way. Like, I don't know, I'll have to check on the chart and see how far we've come, but we've come quite a long way. We've seen the locals with no engines too come up here with the cayucos and no motors, and it's a good distance for sure. We almost missed our turn off into the little side river that leads us back to the boat. Where all the mangroves. Trying to not get my head tapped off.
Pretty cool stuff.
When we get bored. That's how Rui feeds me.
Here comes Choo Choo, open up. Choo Choo.
I don't know if I can just do this with a straight face.
Cute.
What?
Very cute. You are so cute. And yes, Mom, I'm taking care of her. I'm taking care of your daughter. Trying to keep her healthy. She's doing very well. He'd be very proud of her.
And he likes to feed me, so he makes sure I'm well fed. There we are. I think maybe we're just tired today. Too much sun. It's a bit hot. There's no breeze here, right?
And we're both hungry.
We're both hungry. We forgot to eat today. Whoops. From the little village, and we're at not quite sure how to say it, but sun's out, it's strong, it's hot, so we're gonna jump in the water and go try and snorkel. One thing, there's a bunch of kids on the island, and it was super cute because when they came by in the lancha, they were gonna say hola, hola, and then somebody was like, no, say what's up? I thought it was really, really cute. Anyway, so they're all hanging out, and we're gonna go join them, right?
Yep. A whole launch of kids saying what's up, what's up, what's up.
It was really cute.
And we're gonna go snorkel.
Yeah. Yeah.
Our swimming pool for the day. Look at the size of this thing.
A huge pool.
We got a huge pool.
Floaty Rui.
You trying to drown me?
No. Did I get water? I'm sorry. I didn't mean that.
Hello.
Sorry. What are we doing, babe?
We're cleaning up the beach again. Getting rid of all the plastic.
Yeah.
Or as much as we possibly can, because there's
A lot of
just way too much of it. It's everywhere.
Yeah, this is what was here. But it's all along the beach side, so we're going around and trying to pick up as much plastic as possible and set a little bonfire. It looked like somebody had already kind of put together an area, or that's just where the plastic collected. But figured we're here, we want to use the beach, may as well clean it up a bit. Trying to get all the animals out of there. So you kind of find a bit of everything on the beach. Definitely a lot of plastic bags, a lot of plastic bottles, and like soda cup lids, and so like styrofoam, a lot of styrofoam too. But you can tell plastic just doesn't go away, so burning it is like kind of really the only effective way to get rid of it. And it does, it disintegrates into nothing. And since there's no one downwind of us here on the beach, figured might as well try, give it a little clean up. Because we're walking around and we're kind of super disappointed to see how much trash was collected on the beach. And it's comes from everywhere. It comes from the ocean and just kind of ends up on these islands, and it's kind of a bummer, kind of sad. So. whole hermit crab family hanging out under here. And most of them trying to find new homes. You know, they carry their house on the back, like Rui said. There sure are a lot of them. Okay, you are definitely going too close to the fire, sir. Come here. Come here. No, you're on a run. No, don't go that way. So yeah, my face is totally red. It's very red from the fire. But we're letting it cool down and go out before we leave it. Shouldn't be too much longer. And I'm gonna go cool off a bit. Join us next week as we finally make it down to the traditional village of Isla Tigre and enjoy our last days here in San Blas before starting our final sail back to Bocas del Toro. Until next time, cheers!